Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Crime branch narrates sexual and financial exploitation of sex workers by policemen. Policemen were running sex racket in Calangute. Police tell court opposing anticipatory bail plea of Vaman Naik. Nationalized banks offer to absorb trucks drowned in loans. 30% of the truck owners migrate to other states in search of bread and butter. Tough time continues for the Goan truck owners in Bangalore and Khade. Mining dependent people set to throng capital city on Tuesday. People demand immediate resumption of mining. Meeting in Kurchode receives heavy response. Himachal Pradesh recover from 36 for 4 to 210 for 5 in Ranji Trophy. Goa debutant Gauresh Gavas picks up 2 wickets. Pune Football Club hand Dempo Sports Club a rare 5-1 drubbing. Dempo continue to occupy top spot but miss out on stretching the lead over Churchill Brothers. Now the news in detail. The crime branch in its say before Additional Session Court, MAPSA, has revealed the horrible story of financial and sexual exploitation of prostitutes and transgenders in Calangute area. Crime branch is investigating the case of sexual exploitation of prostitutes by suspended head constable of Calangute police station Vaman Naik and other accused. Here are the details.
The crime branch CID, who is investigating the case of financial and sexual exploitation of prostitutes and transgenders in Calangute area by suspended head constable Vaman Naik and other accused, has presented a very dark side of police department. Opposing the anticipatory bail application of Vaman Naik before Additional Session Court MAPSA, crime branch in its say submitted that Vaman Naik sometime in 2010 caught the complainant doing sex trade. But instead of rescuing her, Naik had forcefully physically exploited her and started blackmailing her. Naik started threatening her and extorting money from her on regular basis, and whenever complainant failed to give asked amount, Naik and other accused constable used to ask for sexual favors. Crime branch also found that accused were used to extort money from other sex workers and transgenders, and if someone could not give money, they used to sexually exploit them. Crime branch has also mentioned a stance that accused policemen had recovered many gold articles and cash from a robber group of transgenders, and instead of arresting them, they took the gold articles and cash and let the robbers go. The Additional Session Court MAPSA has reserved its order on anticipatory bail application for Tuesday. With video journalist Prajot Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Some of the nationalized banks have decided to give a complete waive off on the outstanding amount of loans if truck owners submit their trucks to the bank. 30% of the truck owners have started migrating to Ratnagiri, Kolhapur, Hospet, Khade, Bangalore and Karwar. But it seems to be not a cakewalk for them. Goan trucks have returned back from Khade following stiff opposition of locals, while trucks that were plying ore are not ready to carry garbage.
As per the info from sources, some of the nationalized banks in Goa have offered the truck owners to absorb their vehicles and waive off the loans. But none of them are ready to confirm the fact. After a long wait for mining to resume, the exhausted truck owners have started opting for other income earning opportunities. As per sources, around 30% of truck owners from Bicholi, Sakli, Savarde and Kursade and other mining belts are plying their trucks in Ratnagiri, Kolhapur, Panvel, Khade, Karwar and Hospet. Most of the trucks were given to the locals by the mining companies on an operate, earn and return basis. Sources claim that the truck owners are having a tough time in Ratnagiri. A truck owner has to cover a distance of around 160 kilometers per trip to unload the ore collected from mining pit. The returns for such trips are also reported to be low. Goan trucks returned from Bangalore as they are not ready to ply garbage, mud and silt for a mega nalla clearing project. Sources inform that some of the truck owners have returned back from Khed as locals are opposing outsiders' truck tooth and nail. Sources also informed that after resumption of mining activity in Goa, only small trucks would be allowed to operate for transporting iron and ore. Overall, the incident like Khed and Bangalore are only adding to the woes of truck owners. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Truck owners from Kurchode have appealed mining independence to throng to Panaji on 18 December, demanding immediate resumption of mining in Goa. The morcha is called by Goan Mining Lokatso Ek Vote. Truck owners from Kurchode held a public meeting on Saturday to plan their participation in the morcha.
CEC reportan जो report दिलेले आसा त्या reportan पळयलें जाल्यार ते मायनींग बेगीन जालें जावपाना आनी आमची परिस्थिती बिकट सामकी जालेली आसा आनी हेका लागून ही आमी आयची ती मिटींग घेता ती मिटींग सरकाराक केंद्र सरकाराक दाखोवपा खातीर करता आनी 18 तारखेक आमची रॅली पणजे व्हरपाची आसा ते रॅलीन आमी सरकाराक दाखोवन दिवपाक सोदतात की आमी कशी त्रासां पडलेले आसा लोक आनी जाता तितले बेगीन ते सरकारान हेजेर कितेंय जाल्यार उपाय काडचो.
आयज जी आमी मिटींग आपयल्ली ती फक्त इतल्या कारणां खातीर की लोकां भितर एक जागृताय हाडपाक आनीक लोकांक समजुकाय दिवपाक की 18 तारखेर आमी मोर्चा व्हरतले पणजे मोर्चा व्हरतले तो मोर्चा सक्सेसफूल करपा खातीर लोकांक आमी हांगा आपयल्ले आसा जे करून सीईसीन आमचो बॅड रिमार्क धाडला जे मायनिंगाचेर चालू जावपाची शक्यता ना ताका लागून आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे आय ओपनर म्हणून ही एक मिटींग आनी मोर्चा व्हरतले. हाका इलिगलिटीज करपाक सरकार जबाबदार जो बीजेपी आसूं जो काँग्रेस आसूं हाका सरकार जबाबदार आमी जबाबदार न्ही आनीक सरकार एक जबाबदार आसा म्हणटा आनी सरकारी अधिकारी आनी जे कोण MLAs मिनिस्टर जे इन्वॉल्वमेंट आसा हातूंत भितर इलिगलिटीज करपाक तांकां पनिशमेंट करात आमकां पनिशमेंट करनाकात.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.